Now we are going to the feedback link where we have to attach. So that we should have to make. For that, again we have to come back to the Google Drive. Again select, go to the My Time, select right click. In that right click, select more option. There Google Form is there. So we have to select the Google Form. After selecting the Google Form, it will open. So like untitled, title, all it will ask. So now what I'm just going to do means already have created on Google Form. I just opened that Google Form. Here if you see means sample feedback link I kept. Whatever the title you want for the Google Form, you can give the title. Okay. And here untitled form is there. There you can give the sample feedback link if you want to reflect. Yeah, automatically it's coming. If you want to okay with this, okay. Otherwise, if you want to change, you can change. Okay, here again the email address is coming, it will come automatically. Then we have to give the name of the participant. After the name of the participant, we have to give the college name. Afterwards, regarding whatever the personal questions or whatever the question about the seminar or the FTP, for sample purpose I kept here. How do you rate the seminar, I kept here. Okay, so like that I have given all the thing. So this once this feedback is done means, then we have to, suppose if you want to make this feedback little more attractive means, for that we have to go to the customized theme. In this customized theme, whatever the color choice you want, you can select your color we can able to choose. And header, if you want to give more attractive means, for that you can go to the header. Whatever the header here available, we can select this header, or else you can upload from your computer also. So for that, wherever that what we have to do, whatever the certificate we have prepared, so according to the header size we have to adjust. For example, I already have adjusted some certificate like header, some samples I have adjusted. Just I'm just going to show you here. So if you see here means, whatever the certificate I have created, in that only I just cut the part and I have kept here. Okay, so just click the done button means, now you see I'm just showing the sample here, that's all. Afterwards we have to select, yeah, image is uploaded. Afterwards you have to select the apply button. So now you see perfect, your feedback form has come with the full header, it has come. Okay, so like this we should have to make our feedback. So afterwards here in this three dot, we have to come to the three dot. There add-ons option is there. In this add-ons we have to select, when I'm pressing the add-on first time, if you are doing means, it will take you to the Google extension. It will take, there we have to type certify em, certify we have to type, but mine already installed, so it's coming automatically. So now after clicking this, see here show control, show certify control, recent certificates and about certify is coming. So in that we have to click show certify controls. After clicking this, we have to do what we have to, it will take just a few seconds to do the process. Here we have a few points is there. One is status, next is a record, passing percentage, all the details is coming. So here in the status, certification is on. Generally it will become off, it will come because already I just opened. So for the purpose it's coming directly on. Generally it will come like this only, certificate is off, like that it will come. So here we have to select the turn on, we have to select. After selecting the turn on, then it will ask link to exam option, it will come down. See here link to exam and turn off, it will come. So we should have to select the link to exam. Before that we have to do some process. For example, for the participation like seminars, webinars, FTP, if you want to send a certificate means, passing percentage we have to select 0, because we are not going to conduct any exam, just feedback purpose. So for that purpose it have to select 0. Or else you are going to conduct the quiz competition means, we have to select the pass percentage like 30%, 40%, whatever the criteria limitation we have to, according to that we have to select. So now participation purpose only, so I just kept 0. Afterward template, see here, here some few templates is there like red ribbon, purple, that and all predefined certifying templates. I don't want those templates and all. If I want to use whatever I have designed, for that use a custom template, we have to select the use a custom template. So after selecting that, it will come in the back side. So here in this area we should have to press select a file, new file. So after selecting this, select a new file, whatever the template I have created, it will come. So see here, everything is coming. So here already I have created this one, like what is that, certify of participant, this one. So here, before that, we have to do one process. What is the process we have to do? Again, we have to come to the Google slide. We have to come. After that, just select the theme is empty theme, we have to select. After selecting that, here already two things, images we have created and we kept here. So in that, we have to select the images. See, for example, this image already have done. So just copy this image and come to the Google slide. Here we have to paste. So after pasting this, just do the according, just make the adjustment and all. Just put, drag, hold the buttons and just drag your things. How much, what is the size of the certificate, you drag. So afterwards, here just make a little zoom for our understanding purpose. So now you see, I'm just closing these themes and all, so we'll get a little place. Yeah. So now, in the certificate area, mandatorily we will do two things. Generally, we will do two things. One is the name of the participant, and next one is the college name of the participant. Okay. So for that, in the first level, I'm going to show these two things only. So if I press the text box, it will show it. Yeah, we can just, after pressing the text box, you click and drag how much size you want, because some participation name and it a little big. Okay, so for that, you just little drag. Afterward, after dragging that, just you have to double click here inside the text box. We have to type two curly brace, then full, full, full space name, name. All should have to come in the lowercase only. Okay, so afterwards, don't keep it in the center. Sometimes the participant name is little big, means that won't occupy, the space won't sufficient. So let it be in the left side only. Then again, go to the text box. Again, one more text box we have to select for the college name purpose. So after selecting this, you have to type here again, just the two curly brace, other, 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 identifier, IDENTIFER. Then you have to close the two curly brace. Once this work has done, means then the basic level, IDENTIFER, yeah, identify, the basic level of certification is over. Then we have to save the certificate. Here in the left side corner, untitled presentation is coming. Yes, yeah, identifier, just I'll type I. Oh, yeah, identifier. Okay, so now here I want to type what is the name of the certificate. So SAMPL, RFTP certificate, sample 1 certificate, whatever, just for your sake, I'm just typing the sample 1. So afterwards, it automatically it will save. So now I'm coming back to the same feedback link. I'm coming here. After coming the feedback link, yes, here we have to select our certificate. Just I'm pressing select here, new file. Afterwards, see here, whatever I saved, it will come in the first. Okay, so now I'm selecting this one. Just select. After selecting that one, save changes, we have to click. After click the save changes, yes, it automatically attached to our certificate. So now for the sample purpose, just send. Click the send arrow mark here, that link is there. Okay, so that shorten your, select shorten URL. So now the your link is will become shortened. Now just copy the link and you send with the mail ID. We can send, our WhatsApp group, we can, using WhatsApp group we can send. Now I'm not sending anywhere, just I'm pasting here. And afterwards, I'm just going to fill my feedback form. So for example, to filling the feedback form, here you see mail ID. First it's asking the mail ID. So I'm giving my mail ID, the rate of gmail.com. After that, what we have to, name of the participant, whatever the, like this, Miss, Mrs. or whatever doctor we have to give. Then I'm just typing my name, RAJESWRI. Okay, next college name. This order only we have to follow. Sentence, college for women. Okay, this order we have to follow. After that, how do you rate the seminar? Just I kept one question for sample purpose, just good. Okay, so afterwards, I'm just clicking the submit button. As soon as I click the submit button, see, thank you for your submission. If you pass, you will receive your printable certificate. Actually, I didn't select the quiz. Okay, it's coming for the like if you pass. So this content message, if you want to change means, so for that purpose, again come back to the certificate, go to the three dots and go to the setting. In the setting, you just see first general, see here collect email address. By default we have to select. Next one, require sign in, limit to one response. Only one response means you have to, means for that you have to select the one response. Okay, and afterwards the respondent can edit after submission, see summary chart, that and all generally we don't allow to the participant. Then next one is a presentation. In this presentation, see here, thank you for your submission. If you passed, you will receive a printable certificate. Here, just remove the past. If you pass and whatever the content we want to put for the participant, you will, suppose you will receive a printable certificate shortly. Like that, you just do your changes according to your wish. Quiz means here we have to go to the see immediately after each response. If you select means they will get their response. Okay, and responded also can see missed question, correct answer, point value means if you click all this, they can able to see after submission. If you are not selecting means they cannot able to see anything. Okay, then we have to click the save button. So now mine is over. Now I'll show you what kind of certificate I got. See in the my mail ID. So I got, what is the certificate? See, Rajeshwari Sentence College for Women. I got. This is the way we should have to make our certificate. The name is little up because of the text box I kept little big. Okay, if you do just little alignments means you will get in the proper place. So here I want to show you one thing. Suppose if I'm conducting the quiz, so for that, what is the tag we have to give? So for certify, we have few tags is there. I will show you that few tags. First one is full name. I told you, no, if you want to display the full name means you have to use full name, this tag only. And the title the thing, whatever the Google quiz, this is different from the name of the quiz. Okay, so if you want to give any title means you have to give in the place of title, we have to give the title. Other identifier means it will follow immediately your name, so that's why I have given first one is your full name. First, by default name, mail is a common, by default it will come. Then first one is your full name. Okay, then second one is your other identifier. So that's why, see, other identifier means the first optional identifier which follow the full name. Yes, that is the purpose. And the second one, other identifiers too, means that time we have to give them. For example, some people will use, how they will use means for doctor, miss, mrs, they will give one question, and name they will give another question, and college name they will give another third they will give. And in that case we have to use other identifier to that we have to use. Okay, then date, if you want to print the date, month, day, year wise mean this date only. Date 2 is representing day, month, year format. And for most important is percent. Suppose when you are conducting the quiz, that time we should add, how I inserted using the text box, I just typed their full name and the other identifier. The same way for the quiz, where we just mention the score, in place of the score we have to put the text box. Within the text box we have to type percent. So if you type means that mark, it will be converted into the certificate and it will print automatically. And certificate ID, if you want to give your unique ID for each and every certificate means, if you type certificate ID in the corner of the using text box in the slide, that ID each and every, whenever the certificate is generating, it will give the unique ID for the each participant. In that way only we have to link the certificate with your feedback link. Thank you.